Welcome back to the Lighting Controls Podcast here live at LightFair25 down in Las Vegas. Right now I've got Daniel here from Jungo Lighting. Daniel, thanks for coming on.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, sure. So tell me the story of Jungo Lighting.
Amazing. So Jungo Lighting was born in Monterrey, Mexico about 15 years ago. We were dominating in the Mexico market and we were doing some contract manufacturing for the US. But this year we decided to go to make our debut of the Jungo Lighting brand in the US market. We had one of the biggest booths in the show. We had a football field with all the sport lighting, and we offer sport lighting, industrial lighting, and commercial lighting. So we came here originally to look for a distribution network, to expand our distribution network.
Yeah, so you're basically looking for people who see your product, go, yeah, this is great product. I want to either represent it as a sales rep or distribute it as a distributor.
Absolutely. It's totally aligned to the North American market, totally compliant. And the benefit, of course, at the moment is the pricing. It's very price competitive, taking advantage of the no tariff from Mexico.
Sure. So, yeah, I mean, I would imagine a lot of groups are looking for tariff-free options.
We did get a lot of interest in our products, mainly because of the country of origin. Right now, This is our main advantage. And, of course, great quality products, great performance. But if you also add the advantage of the tariff, so it's a very good deal.
So is Mexico the country of origin for everything?
Yes, absolutely. We totally comply with the rules of origin of the USMCA, so making it, there's a substantial transformation going on from the raw materials to the finished product. So it's totally compliant with the USMCA for the Made in Mexico mark.
Wow, awesome. So yeah, I mean, I would say that is a really good option. So you have sport lighting, you have outdoor lighting, and you have commercial lighting. And
Correct.
So what is your most commonly sold product?
So UFOs, high bays, are one of the most popular items, panels and troffers, and also the sport lighting. So basically we do everything for industrial building, the warehouse area, the offices, area lights for the parking lots, wall packs, but also stadiums. We do FIFA certified stadiums. We compete with Muscle Lighting, very similar in quality, but much more competitive in pricing. So I think we do have an offer for the American market, so they can take advantage of our factory location and taking advantage of the geopolitical situation, of course.
Yeah, sure. So let's say, for instance, I'm a specifier. What's the first step that I can take to get in touch with you? Because let's say I don't have a rep yet.
Perfect. Good question. So we do have all the information on our website. Where can you buy our products from?
And what's the website?
Jungo.lighting. Jungo Lighting.
So JUNGO.
Lighting.
Lighting.
Correct. So you will be able to see our whole product range, and you can see the distributors that we have in your region. If you don't have a distributor in your region, you can totally contact us directly, and we'll give you service directly.
Wow.
So we always work through reps, but if there's no coverage in your area, there's might be some exceptions.
Okay, great. Well, is there anything specific that you want our audience to hear about? Is there a product that's coming out on the horizon or something?
Yes. So in 3 months, we will launch the most automated assembly line for LED panel lights, the most advanced in America. It's going to be 70 linear meters of machinery doing everything automated to produce 200 panels per hour.
Wow.
So we're hoping to get many new customers. We do OEM and also under the Jungo brand.
So what does a typical lead time look for you then?
3 weeks. 3 weeks will be a typical lead time for any volume and any panel size.
That's impressive.
Either 1,000 or 10,000 pieces, the lead time will still be the same, about 3 months.
Oh,
three weeks, sorry.
3 weeks.
Yeah, sorry.
3 months would be a long time.
Totally.
But no, well, that's great. I mean, it sounds like you're really targeting the market in the United States in a way that really serves a need, because we do need these kinds of resources. We need tariff-free resources for commercial lighting, and we also need quick ship.
Absolutely. So we're leveraging our expertise in manufacturing of electronics to take advantage of this geopolitical situation. Of course, things can change, but at the moment, we're a great place to buy.
So you originally started as an electronics company?
Contract manufacturer. We started as a contract manufacturer, and then we decided to. So Jungo Lighting was only for the Mexican market, and the contract manufacturing just for the U.S.
Sure.
But now we're going directly with Jungo also in the U.S.
Well, Daniel, really appreciate you coming on.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Thank you for having me.